If you were looking for a CAD-CAM software to run machines like a Hurco VM10 right up to a Matsuura MX-420 pallet-loading machine, then which one would you choose? Well, we're here at Factory 33 to talk with Marcin about his experience with EdgeCam over the last 18 years. So, Marcin, we're here in your new building at Factory 33. So, where did it all begin?
Hi Tom. It all began in 2016 when we decided to open Factory 33 and start supplying some high-tech components to our customers.
And you started in a smaller building?
Yes. So we've started with two machines which we purchased from Hurco in 2016. We had a brand new premises which were approximately about 165 square meters, and ever since then we've outgrown it and moved into the much larger building of nearly 500 square meters.
Now, when you started without a CAD-CAM system. How long did it take before you realised you needed one?
Yeah, so this is the funny one, because we purchased the Hurco because we thought we're going to program a lot of stuff on the control, and literally within a week we've hit the first batch of parts, which we said, okay, we need to get a CAM system on site. I used to run EdgeCam in the previous companies, so I thought I'll get the same system, which I already know, and that speeds us up and puts us in front of programming time because we already knew it.
And tell me through the EdgeCam software you bought, because it's a modular package, and also they gave you quite a good offer to buy EdgeCam.
Yes. So EdgeCam is obviously modular. You can start and you can add packages, so you can start with 3-axis, 4-axis milling. You can add turning at whichever stage you want, and also full 5-axis simultaneous machining and different extra toolpaths if you require. As a startup, we only had a 3-axis mill with a 4th-axis rotary table, so we've went for the 3-axis system. And yes, back then, obviously when you're opening business, money are tight. They gave us a very good price. The bosses approved it, and then they've also allowed us to pay in installments for it. It's obviously cash flow for anybody who opens a business like this. When you buy a lot of machine tools, a lot of equipment to run alongside, you obviously, money are tight, so the cash flow is always going to be an issue at the very early stages. So it's a massive boost, and it's a good partnership, knowing that somebody from a large company is willing to help you a little bit, and that goes a long way.
Now, you've used EdgeCam ever since then, and you've grown and grown, and EdgeCam's grown with you. So how has that worked?
So we've been just adding the modular package to the system, and we run EdgeCam on anything from 3-axis to 4-axis machine to full 5-axis simultaneous, and we yet to find a part which the EdgeCam would not succeed at programming.
And this was something we spoke about this morning, was there's always a toolpath. There's always another toolpath when you need it. So has that helped you program parts in different ways, that you have all these options available?
Yes, I mean, there's a selections of toolpaths, and we've got our favorite ones, obviously, like everybody with their CAM systems, but we never fall short of how we want to cut it. We first decide how we want to cut the part, and then we're finding the right toolpaths within the software. It's that easy.
And now, obviously, you started with Hurcos. You now have quite a nice pallet-loading Matsuura behind us. So talk me through the versatility of EdgeCam, because you're running this now from 3-axis right up to 5-axis pallet-loading machines.
Yeah, so the beauty of a CAM system like EdgeCam is that we can take any of our existing already programmed parts, either that's a 3-axis part, 5-axis part. We can just literally swap the post and off you go. The way we've got it configured is that it's fully automated. It goes for the pallet changes at the end. The datums even for our components are generated from the software, so we don't have to set anything. G10 takes care of rewriting G54 within the program, and EdgeCam take care of everything to that point.
And tell me through automation, because obviously automation is becoming quite a big subject right now. And obviously people think of automation as robots, pallet loading systems, but there's automation now in CAD/CAM systems.
Yes, so the way we look at the automation is not just pallet machines or running more parts. We running the things within EdgeCam, for example, which is called Tombstone Manager. We can run multiple parts on one tombstone. We've got the versatility of running different parts on the same tombstone, and it's just it's easily integrated. That's what I like about it.
And this is the thing I've been getting from you all day since we've been here, is it's easy. Yeah. Everything is easy, and easy makes machines run and not stand still.
Yes, we want to get the parts on the machine very quickly, get them cut very efficiently so we can bid at really good contracts and offer our customers the best possible price.